Installing Visual Studio Code on your computer is the first step in starting your coding process. Now, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can install Visual Studio Code on your PC. Now, the first thing you need to do is to open any browser and then just go ahead and search for Visual Studio. And here it is. And then you'll get to this website called code.visualstudio.com. Go ahead and click on it. And now here you can download and install this code editor. To download it, just go ahead and tap on download for Windows. If you're on Mac, it will also go ahead and start installing. Now this will go ahead and start downloading automatically. And as you can see, the download process is on here. But should this not download directly, then you can go ahead and tap on direct download link. So be patient as it downloads. And once it's done, you can see it here. You can either tap on this to open the folder, or you can as well tap on this arrow here to go to the download folder. So here is our setup. It's time to go ahead and install it. And as you can see, it is written VS Code user setup. Now to install VS Code, go ahead and double click on it, then agree to the terms and conditions, and then tap on next. Proceed to the next. Choose whether you want to create a start menu folder or not, and then proceed. And then also here choose whether you want to create a desktop icon. And this is important so that you can easily access it. I'll go ahead and select this option and tap on next, and then install. Then the installation process will start, and this will extract files for this program. And now program has been installed. Go ahead and click on finish, and this will proceed and launch the app automatically. So our Visual Studio Code program is here, and now we can launch it. So that's how you download and install VS Code program on your computer. If you have any other question, please let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video is helpful, kindly like the video and also subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.